We make the streams louder.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download free songs on any Android devices without any jailbreak. Free music, albums, without any jailbreak. Let's get started. First, you want to go to YouTube and search any songs you want to download, and then copy the link. You see the arrow? Click on the arrow right here. Yep. And copy the link. Alright, it got copied now. You want to go to the internet and Google and type YouTube MP3 converter. YouTube MP3 converter. And then click on the second link, not first, but the second one. What's good about this website is that you can change the artist name, change the song name, and the thumbnail. Alright, now here you just want to paste the video. You use copy paste and click convert right here. See, very simple. You just copy the video link and then paste it in this website and click convert. Easy. See right here? The artist is not right, the name is not right, so I'm going to change it. They give you options and then you can edit it. Let's see the options. None of them are right, so let's go to edit. Alright, the artist is Justin Timberlake. I'm just going to put Justin Tim, yeah, right. Alright, the song name is not Stop. It is Feeling, so I'm going to change it to Feeling. Alright, so you can change the thumbnail too, but I'm just going to continue for now. Alright, now just click download. See, very easy, very simple. Just copy the link from the YouTube and paste it in this website. See, downloading. Wow, it's done already, very fast. Just click. See, I'm not going to play the song because of the copyright issue, but I'm going to show you in my music player that it added there. So I'm going to go and recently add it in my music player. Yep, right there, Feeling. See, if this